Stimulate your brain. Debunking emptiness.
The analytical method of disintegration. I have a computer in front of me. If I take out the motherboard, can you call the motherboard the computer? The answer is no. Detach the monitor from the computer. Do you call the monitor the computer? Again, no. How about the CPU, the keyboard, the RAM, the computer case, the CPU cooler, etc.? None of these parts are called the computer. Now note carefully, when all the parts are separate, can you say where the computer is? There is no computer. Therefore, computer is simply a name given to a group of parts put together temporarily. When one dismantles it, the computer loses its existence. A computer is not a permanent entity. The true nature of the computer is emptiness.
For convenience we use words. Imagine that my computer is not working properly. I give it to the computer repair technician to make it right. The motherboard is gone and he replaces it with a new one. Now, when he gives me back my computer, he does not say it is a new computer. Even though he has replaced the motherboard, for him my computer is still the old computer. When the monitor is replaced, I still have my old computer. When he replaces my CPU, the keyboard, the RAM, the computer case, the cooler, he will still call it my old computer. The old computer is still there. There is no emptiness. I will give another example. Imagine my friend is coming from New York to my house in Chennai. When somebody asks him in New York, "Where are you going?" he will say, "India." If a person joins the flight in San Francisco and asks the same question, he would say, "India." When the plane takes off from Singapore again, he would say, "I am going to India." But as soon the plane lands in New Delhi and someone asks him where he is heading to, he will say, "Chennai." When the plane touches Chennai, and if he is asked where his destination is, he would say Udyar. When in Udyar he would say Shastri Nagar. These changes happening in the description does not prove emptiness. If there is a big fire in Shastri Nagar, 7th Street, the community newspaper will say that there was a fire in 7th Street. But a city tabloid would say the fire was in Shastri Nagar. A newspaper in Mumbai would refer to this fire as fire in Chennai. An American newspaper would name the same fire as having occurred in India.